In this video, I'm going to show you how to pump gas into your vehicle. As you can see, I desperately need some gas. So I'm going to go ahead and get that going right now. Make sure your car is off. Also, a quick tip, when you zoom in and you look at the gas pump, notice there's an arrow. It's pointing to the left. That means that on the left side of my car, or the driver's side, that is where my gas tank lid is. First step, you gotta go through the computer to pay. So insert your card and then put in your PIN. So I just inserted my card. Just skip this if it asks if I have membership. Now it's saying to remove the nozzle. So first I'm going to want to open this up. Without pulling the trigger, and then you select the type of fuel that you want. In Colorado, so we have 85. That's the lowest price. Notice over here, green is diesel. Do not put this in your vehicle unless you use diesel. While you're pumping gas, you should really just stay by your vehicle and make sure that nobody messes with your gas pump as it's pumping the gas. Make sure that there's no spills. Make sure that there's nothing going on with it. As it's pumping, you can see the amount of dollars and the amount of gallons of fuel that you've gotten so far. You should be aware of how many gallons your tank is and stop it before it gets full. But in most cases at modern pumps, they have sensors and it'll shut off automatically before it overflows. I have had it happen one time in my life where it did not and it overflowed. It must have been a bad sensor. But like you just heard, that is the pump stopping automatically. I have a 16-gallon tank and I put in about 15 gallons. So we'll go ahead and make sure that the trigger is not pulled. Shake off the drops. Try not to get drops on my shoes because it's pretty stinky. Make sure that's closed all the way and then close that. And then in this case I do need a receipt because it's a business transaction. No receipt. So I gotta go in and get my receipt. Great. But that's how you do it. It's very easy. Hope that was helpful for you. You got this if this is the first time you're doing it. Okay, and I got my receipt. Time to go.